My name is Samir and welcome back to the channel. Today we have another unboxing video and this is the Anker 735 charger, GaNPrime 65 watts. To start, here's the front of the box, which comes in dark blue color. On the left side we can see the Anker logo and series 7, the reason behind the first digit. At the back there's a lot of information here. We can see some features like the GaN, which stands for gallium nitride. On the right side we can see 65 watts as the total wattage. Also there's the input and then the output, depending on how many ports we would use. At the bottom here we can see some barcodes and the price. I got this one for 199 reals. And at the top we can see a small QR code, which we would need to scratch to see it fully and then check for verification. Now let's flip this box and start opening the pull tabs. There's one right here on the top. And also one below. Let's flip it once again and start pulling the front cover. Going to put this front part right on the corner. And here's our first look at the charger. We can see the Anker logo once again and the muted GaNPrime trademark. Now, let's get the charger from the plastic shell. And put it on the side for now. Here's the user manual, which we can also check at Anker's website. As usual, there's a lot of information here and it also comes in different languages. Definitely spend some time reading this later. Let's put everything back. Keep it here on the side. Once again, here is our charger. So the first time holding it, I noticed the matte finish. And also the weight of it. Here the sticker says the USB-C ports support dynamic power distribution. Hopefully you can see that here. And pretty much nothing else written around the charger. As always, thank you so much for spending the time watching this video. Feel free to click that like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.